Do you want to be able to buy crypto on your Coinbase wallet? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do first is to just open up your Coinbase wallet app, obviously, and if you haven't already logged in into your account, you need to log in into your account, of course. And then in here, what we're going to do is to firstly click where it says buy, and that is basically in the bottom, or sorry, in the top left corner, as you can see where it says buy. So click on it, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So let's say that I want to be able to buy 10 Swedish crowns worth of something. So for example, we can click on where it says buy. As you can see, it says USDC for me now. So let's say I want to buy, let's see if there's actually Bitcoin here. Or we can actually do like this instead. We can click on network instead and click on Bitcoin. And as you can see now, we should be able to buy Bitcoin in here as well. So you can change the network, and then probably you will be able to also get that cryptocurrency that you want to be able to get, as you can see. So let's say that I want to be able to get 10 Swedish crowns worth of Bitcoin, which is, as you can see, 0. Yeah, it's very low basically. But now you can click also now where it says pay with. And then here you will be able to select the payment method that you're going to use to be able to buy your crypto. So you need to add your debit card, as you can see, or you can transfer from your Coinbase, a regular Coinbase app, as you can see. And basically that is exactly how to buy crypto on the Coinbase wallet.